In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Gemini AI extension to your Chrome browser. If you've ever wanted a more streamlined browsing experience or simply a little extra assistance navigating the web, this extension could be just what you need. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open your Chrome browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. This is your one-stop shop for all things extensions, offering a vast library of tools to enhance your browsing experience. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar, which is usually at the top left corner of the page. In that search bar, type in Gemini. The store will come up with a list of results related to your search query. Once the search results appear, focus on finding the Gemini AI extension. You're looking for the one with a logo and description that reads something familiar, so be sure to read through the descriptions if needed to make sure it's the right tool. When you find it, you'll see an Add to Chrome button beside the extension's name. Click on this button confidently. A dialog box will pop up, asking for confirmation to add the extension. This box will also likely detail what permissions the extension needs to function correctly. Review these, and if you're comfortable proceeding, confirm the installation. Successful installation will bring a quick notification letting you know the extension has been added, but we're not quite done yet. Look towards the top right corner of your Chrome window, where you'll find the puzzle icon. That little icon is your gateway to managing all your installed extensions. Click on it to unfold a list of every extension currently part of your browser arsenal. Within that list, locate Gemini. To ensure easy access in the future, we want this extension to be visible at all times on your toolbar. So find the small pin icon next to Gemini and click it. Pinning Gemini means it will stay pinned onto your toolbar for instant accessibility, saving you those few extra clicks every time you need to use it. Once it's pinned, you should now see a Gemini AI chat window right inside your Chrome interface, ready and eager to assist with any queries or needs you may have. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully integrated the Gemini AI extension into your Chrome browser, making your online browsing experience smoother and more productive. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this added functionality.